Good afternoon. To this video, manghimo kita ng homemade orange juice. Okay, just this is the ato si Jai is wow, look, this is orange. So ani na siya para mag-homemade juice tayo. Maghimo kita ng juice para grabe ni ka nutritious na orange juice. So, vitamin C. So, vitamin C. Ato si Jai. Ilaong-laong. Libot-libot. Brown. Para ang ija juice matantang. So, we have now dami na ako nagawa. Look, I have here. So, like this. Vitamin C. Nice to have a homemade orange juice. Homemade orange juice. So, I have this orange juice. Damo na. Nahimo na ako. So, libre-libre na ang mga wais na mga mother. Makahimo kita na dito pila ka ml. Happy 1,000 ml na. So, just watch. And the last one. Yeah, orange juice. Okay, this is a homemade orange juice. So like this and this one. We have now. And look. Grabe ka. Juicy ang ato orange juice. So, ang damo na nahimo na ako. Like this. So, I have last one. So, look. Grabe ka juicy ang ato juice. Look. Orange juice. Have a nice homemade orange juice. Ito na ang ating pinakalas na orange. So, amo niyan mga wise na mother, manghimo taog homemade na orange. So, mas lami ni siya, kay wala ni siya na kuan. Grabe ka pure. Pure ang ato orange juice. Nice, ini na vitamin C. Oh, look. Syrup na siya. Ibali orange juice. Just like that. And like this. So, that's the one. Yay! Look at. Wow. It's done. I'm done na. Something 10 pieces of orange. And now, this is the and just like this. Damo-damo na nahimo nato na. Okay. And look, the final one. So I have a 500 again. So it's our 700. So 1,200 ml ang ato nahimo. So like this. Okay. Wow. Pure orange juice. Wow! Sarap! Just like and share and comment. So, in-ani ni siya. So, pwede kita mo inom gamay. Test na to. Kung okay ang ato juice. Wow! Sarap! Wow! Homemade orange juice. Wow! Just like and share. And follow my Annabelle Pinera channel, YouTube channel. Just like and share. And comment. Bye. See ya.